All right, folks. Good morning. This is Marcel. Here comes Amtrak. Capital Corridor Train 529. Final destination of that train is San Jose Deardown Station, going by Fruitvale Avenue, and SC44 Seaman Charger leading this one on. That's 2124, I think, lead it off, or 2123. It is 2123. It's the Seaman Charger. 2123. What, 8314 Mount Pinose. Nice. There go that train, folks. That train is going to San Jose. Right behind 527, the late train that struck a vehicle earlier. So coming up next is 528. Okay, that train will go to Sacramento. 528 coming. Bye. All right, folks, here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor Train 528. Final destination of that train is going to Sacramento. Going by Fruitvale Avenue, picking up a lot of dust. This train is hauling ass right now. Whoa, 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 whoa. You got it. Scoot up, scoot up. Whoa. Go, go, go. Wow. Okay, this is a 8311 Mount Palomar. 44 Seaman Charger 2108. Man, oh man. Well, anyway, that train is going to Sacramento. There was a car right there in front of the crossing arms. Whew, that was a scary scene. So I am Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye.